Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you're on Windows 10, Microsoft is starting to do different things that you could see that it tells you, oh, Windows 10 is, ending support soon. So now the new one that I've seen here is in the Settings app. You have this little bar here, this Windows 10 support ending soon. Visit Microsoft.com to learn more about your options and plan your next steps. And of course, there's a Learn More button, which brings you, of course, to the Microsoft website. And I guess one of the first things they tell you is end of support for Windows 10. I don't know why they also have Windows 8.1 and 7 here. So Windows 10 support makes Windows 11 makes it easy to move your favorite files. So they talk about Windows 11. Upgrade to Windows 11. That's the way it is. And Windows Update to upgrade to Windows 11 for free. If your PC is not able to upgrade, or if you want to replace it, you can move to Windows 11 by purchasing a new PC with a link to buy a new PC. Why Windows 11 is right for you. Compare 10, 11, meet 11, shop for a laptop, and if your PC Windows 10 can run Windows 11, or if you are ready to buy a new computer, keep your files safe on OneDrive. And this is what's interesting, is that absolutely no mention anywhere that, oh, well, by the way, we have extended support for a year for $30. They're not mentioning any of that, which is very interesting. It's really, they're trying to push people into buying a new computer if you're just not compatible. And so it's kind of sad because, they should emphasize, they should put it easy to see that, you can also use an extended support for a year. But they obviously want you to move to Windows 11. And obviously, if you're not compatible, all they're telling you is, oh, buy a new computer. It's going to be better. So really interesting that they really aren't. I wonder what point during this year will they actually go and say, oh, by the way, here's an extended support for 1 year. Click here. If ever. Will it be something that they try to not talk about as much as possible to make sure that the maximum amount of people move on? Really, it's something that should be there. It should be, you can, and that page actually should have had the information about, extended support. So anyways, more and more annoyances will be going the Windows 10 way for, move on, go to Windows 11, buy a new PC. That's Microsoft's way of doing things. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.